Spider-Man. I need to find Sonic. Sonic. Ta-da. Here we go. Okay, y'all. I guess this. Y'all, my son party tomorrow, so I should get the number 5. Okay, I'm doing too much. I don't know, y'all. I just got out work, so yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. They got napkins. They don't have no more, they don't have no more, what are these? These tablecloths? Table covers. Hold on, y'all, let me figure this out. Boom, we got the balloons, y'all. Now I need to go to Dollar General. I don't know if I want to go there tonight or tomorrow. I need to get juice and some more candy for the kids. I should put these balloons in the trunk or the back seat. Let's do it. Hold on, y'all. It's cold. All for my little baby. Yeah, maybe I'll put these in the trunk. Hold on. I hope they don't fly out. Nah, y'all, but like I was saying, I didn't know whether I wanted to put them back here or in the trunk, because I was like, watch me open this trunk and they fly the hell out. Just watch. I'm gonna be so pissed. So pissed. Cause I'm trying to get, like, I want everything to come together and be right. But we on the way to Lania's. Cause they got a Halloween party going on. So we finna hit that. Yeah, I just literally left Party City. So we finna hit the road, go to Dollar General, get some more candy, and get some juice and stuff for the party. So yeah, see y'all in a minute. Cause my son don't sound like period.
There she is. You want me to come out there? How old is he?
2.
Come on. What's Thursday?
Come on. Introduce the party.
Welcome to the Halloween pajama party.
Copyright. I ain't even gonna be here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them build the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs lest I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright.
For my son party, nobody here right now. Got the Sonic balloon, so let me set up. And yeah.
Know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. clearly a lot for me to take. It don't make sense, young. It's that thing, girl. You too busy with your other man. I was trying to control the game, but you wanna play, take me your mama.
We got knives. We got forks too. You know, type shit.
Yeah, your fault. That sound like poetic justice.
Hey.
Poetic justice. You were so loose, so it's like the goddamn justice. I mean, I write poems in these songs. Dedicated to the front section. And your soft skin and your big ass.
Oh, we got a little one right here that need to get in line too. Okay.
I know you're not for two. You gotta get in line.
Go get in line.
Okay, wait. Bring it back twice, okay? 2 times. 1, 2. He's the youngest. No! He's in front of you!
Damir looking like. We got back up a little bit. Back up, y'all. Back up. Oh. Diamond, come on. Hey, you got this.
Big kids. Now you getting 3.
That's not fair!
Oh, you younger.
All right,
I'm gonna let y'all get 3. Okay.
yeah!
Okay. Pick your bag up in case you bust. And
Just in case you
swings,
bust it.
okay? All right, come over here. I'm gonna spin you 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Diamond, you got this. Come on. Oh. You got this. Yeah. Oh, 1. Hit it, Diamonds. Yeah, 2. Good swing. Good. Okay. Wait. All right, Diamond, go to the back of line. Get back in line. You gotta keep going till they bust it, okay?